Preparations for maintenance.
Sir, the battery has generated a 3006 alarm. How do we handle this alarm?
Please take the following actions. Disconnect the power supply. First, check that the signal cable between batteries 1 and 2 is correctly connected. Second, check that the power cable between batteries 1 and 2 is correctly connected. Third, check that the power cables between battery expansion modules 1, 2, and 3 are correctly connected. Fourth, check that the signal cables between battery expansion modules 1, 2, and 3 are correctly connected. Connect the power supply. Good job! Well done!